Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2016 16 plate BMW 420d M Sport. Now the car's finished in the Estoril blue metallic, which is a special colour only available on the M Sport models. We've got a lovely specification on this vehicle. We've got a M Sport design package on the car. So this basically gives the addition of these lovely upgrade 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. They're obviously finished in the lovely black. Now to match those, we've got the gloss black window surrounds. We've got gloss black detailing on your mirrors there as well. The design package also gives you privacy glass to the rear, and then a few features inside which I'll show you in just a moment. We've got rear parking sensors, dual chromed exhaust, coming through to the boot. We've got quite a bit of luggage space on these cars, split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. In the back then you'll find your first aid kit, you'll find a bit of added storage under there as well. Triangle is just on the boot there. And then inside is a full ebony black, grained leather sport seat. So looking at the actual bolsters, looking at the seat base, they're in nice order. Now this is a two-way memory sport seat, so you can be driver one, your partner can be driver two. Press of a button that will fully adjust the seat to exactly where you want it. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound system as well, so nice crisp sound with the added bass. In the back then, the seats look like they've barely been sat in, they're in fantastic order. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. And then jumping inside, we'll close the door. So, once you've jumped in the cabin, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here, you've got your cruise control and speed limiter, voice command, Bluetooth phone, all your media controls, automatic lights, automatic wipers. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 41,538 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through then to the centre display, you've got your front and rear parking sensors which are up on there. We've got multimedia, we've got radio, so this is a full DAB, giving you all the extended channels. Telephone, satellite navigation, that's all on there as well. Vehicle status. And then following down, dual zone climate control, heated front seats as well, 6-speed manual transmission. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got all our drive select, so Sport, Sport Plus, Eco Pro, Eco. We've also got our parking sensor button, traction control, and the center scroll wheel for the display up ahead. Lots of aluminium detailing. We've got aux and USB within the center armrest. Lovely Estoril blue matching detailing all throughout the car, so on the door card, center console, and even on the steering wheel. So if you'd like any further information on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.